Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set Google Chrome as a default browser in Redmi phone. First open Settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap Apps. And then tap Manage Apps. Now tap three dots on the top right corner. And then tap Default Apps. Browser by default Mi Browser selected. Tap Browser and select Chrome from browser list. In this case you must have Chrome installed in your Mi phone. That's it. Now go back Default Apps, and you can see browser it's Chrome default. Now if click on any link, it will directly open in Google Chrome instead of Mi Browser. So this is the process to set up Chrome as a default browser in Redmi phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.